Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to effortlessly defend yourself in an argument. Defending yourself in an argument doesn't have to be stretchful. Use these tips to stay calm, focused and effective. 1. Stay calm and composed. Take deep breaths and respond thoroughly, not emotionally. 2. Listen actively. Pay attention, nod, and ask clarifying questions if needed, because understanding the other person's point helps you counter effectively. 3. Stick to facts. Present evidence, examples, or data to support your points, because facts are hard to dispute. 4. Keep the discussion respectful and about the issue, not the person, because insults shift focus away from the topic and hurts credibility. 5. Use I statements. Say I feel or I believe instead of you always or you never, because it shows you're sharing your perspective, not making accusations. And finally, ask strategic questions. Ask something like, what evidence supports that, or why do you think that? Because it shifts the burden of proof to the other person. And that's it, guys. By staying composed, respectful, and focused on facts, you can effortlessly defend yourself in an argument while maintaining your credibility and confidence. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.